So, unpopular opinion. How about we stop worrying about that we're late to the game and that the money train miss us? And how about we start taking our money into our own hands and investing it right now? How about we take control of our money and recognize that it is our money? So we need to find the right investments for us. And we need to be proactive about taking steps to putting that money in the right types of investment accounts. How about we stop shopping for clothes and handbag and start thinking about our legacy and our future and putting money away for that? How about we stop renting and we start buying properties? What about that? Wealth building is something that no matter your age or stage or wage, you can start. It is never too late. The time that you're hemming and hawing and not sure is the time that your money could be working for you. It's the same time that you could be getting very good returns on your investments. So delay is danger when it comes to investing. You have to take the proactive moves for your future now, or else nothing gonna happen, nothing gonna go on for you, just as it is now. So if you want to make a change, you have to be able to make the moves, open the accounts, put your funds into it. That is the work that we do with Profit Jumpstarter. We hold our clients' hands. We teach you how to build wealth through the right types of investments. So stop hem and ha, stop say it too late. Take action right now. Get in the game.